Hi, my name is Emma. I want to tell you about my day. It was a very busy day. I used many simple English phrases today. These phrases are easy, and you can use them too. I will explain what I said and when I said it. Let's start. It does not appeal to me. In the morning, my friend Anna called me. She said, "Emma, do you want to go swimming today?" I thought about it. Swimming is fun, but today I felt tired. I said, "Swimming does not appeal to me today. I feel tired. Maybe we can do something else." Anna replied, "Okay, no problem. What do you want to do instead?" We use "it does not appeal to me" when we don't like an idea. It is a polite way to say, "No, I don't want to do this. Not my cup of tea." Later, Anna came to my house. She brought a big book about science. She said, "Emma, this book is so interesting. Do you want to read it with me?" I looked at the book. It was very big and full of hard words. I smiled and said, Science books are not my cup of tea. I like stories and novels more." Anna laughed and said, "That's okay. Everyone has different tastes." We say "not my cup of tea" when we want to say that something is not our style. It is a nice way to say, "I don't like it." Mind your own business. At lunch, my little brother Jack saw me texting on my phone. He asked, "Who are you texting, Emma? What are you talking about?" I laughed and said, "Jack, mind your own business. It's private." Jack laughed too and said, Okay, I won't ask anymore." We say "mind your own business" when someone is asking too many personal questions. It is a way to say, "Please stop asking about this. I do not mind." After lunch, Anna asked, "Emma, do you want to sit in the garden or stay inside?" I thought for a moment. I didn't have a strong opinion. So, I said, "I do not mind. You can choose." Anna smiled and said, "Okay, let's sit in the garden. The weather is nice." We say "I do not mind" when we are okay with any choice. It means we don't have a strong opinion. I do not care. In the afternoon, Jack said, "Emma, do you want the red pen or the blue pen?" I didn't have a preference. I said, "I do not care. You can choose for me." Jack said, "Okay, I will give you the blue pen." We say "I do not care" when something is not important to us. It is another way to say, "It does not matter to me. It is not gonna work." In the evening, I tried to fix my old chair. One leg of the chair was broken. Anna saw me struggling and said, "Emma, it is not gonna work. This chair is too old to fix." I looked at the chair and said, "You are right. I should buy a new chair." We say "it is not gonna work" when we think something will not succeed. It does not work that way. After dinner, my dad asked, "Emma, can we use the TV remote to change the air conditioner temperature?" I laughed and said, "Dad, it does not work that way. The remote is only for the TV." Dad said, "Oh, I see. I'll use the air conditioner remote instead." We say "it does not work that way" to explain that something cannot happen in the way someone thinks. Take your time. At night, I was brushing my hair. Anna said, "Emma, are you ready for bed?" I said, "Not yet. I need a few more minutes." Anna smiled and said, "Take your time. There is no hurry." We say take your time to tell someone to move slowly and not rush. Hurry up. Before bed, I was looking for my favorite book. My mom said, "Hurry up, Emma. It is time to sleep." I found my book quickly and said, "Okay, Mom. I'm ready now." We say hurry up when we want someone to move faster or finish quickly. Get cracking. Before I went to bed, I remembered I had homework to do. I said to myself, "Emma, you need to get cracking. Finish your homework now." I worked on my homework for 30 minutes. Then I went to sleep. We say get cracking when we need to start doing something quickly. These are the phrases I used today. They are very easy to learn and helpful in daily life. You can practice them with your friends or family. The more you practice, the better you will get. Keep practicing and good luck.